The Allusion Platinum electric fireplace features a minimal profile with subtle heat vents that keep the focus on the fire. Enjoy it year-round with low, high, or no heat settings. And choose from 9 flames, 13 ember bed colors, and adjustable brightness settings to create a look you love. It's easy to control all these features with buttons or from the comfort of your couch via remote or app. The Platinum includes both clear crystals and black acrylic embers for a modern look, or upgrade to shadow glow logs for more depth. 50, 60, and 72-inch sizes of the Platinum are the perfect complement to popular TV sizes, so you can create a feature wall that looks and functions beautifully. You can install the fireplace in nearly any space, slide it into an opening after a wall is framed and finished, or add the optional Boyd build-out kit to get a built-in look without any construction. The Allusion Platinum. Fire made simple.